guys, welcome to another video. So I had a really exciting email come a few days ago from Melodysusie asking if I'd like to be a reviewer of their products and if I'd like to collaborate with them. Obviously I said yes. So they have sent out their cordless rechargeable nail drill. Now, I don't know how you pronounce this. I don't know whether it's Atena or Atena. So like I said, this is their cordless nail drill. How pretty is this? Look at that. You can feel it's really good quality just by the weight of it. I've got a few of these nail drills now where it's just the handpiece where the motor's inside. And yeah, this feels completely different to those. It feels really good quality. So inside the box you've got your charger. Now it does say when you first get this to give it a full charge, and it says it quick charges within an hour and it has up to 3 hours runtime as well. You've got your user manual. It tells you all your little drill pieces, what comes with it as well, and what they're used for. How to replace the drill bit, charging, all the buttons, problems. So this is your charging cable. It goes into a USB plug, and then that end, which is a Type-C charger, goes into there like that. So I have already charged this before I started recording, so it is fully charged and ready to go. We've got some sanding bands. We've got a pack of drill bits. These are like the everyday drill bits what come with most drills. But they also throw in a ceramic medium barrel bit as well. So I'm super excited to try that. Definitely going to give that a try today. So that's what comes in the box. Let's have a look at the drill, shall we? And wait until you hear the price of this, guys. I was so shocked. So if you click the link that I've pinned in my comments and at checkout enter Gina12 with a capital G, you can get this drill for £36.96. £36.96, guys, for a Melodysusie drill. Cordless Melodysusie drill at that. I was so shocked how cheap it is. They come in 3 different colours. You've got this white one, you've got a gold, which is a really light gold, like a champagne gold, and they've got a really pretty pink colour as well. So let's have a little look at it to start with. So to turn it on, this is the on button. Hold it in and it automatically turns on. This is your forward and reverse. This is to turn it higher, and then it goes back to 1, which is the slowest speed. So it's got 3 speed settings. So the first lowest speed I would say is for prep, nail prep. The second speed is more for removing like gel polish, and then the third speed is for removing extensions, whether that be acrylic, polygel, hard gel. But can you hear? It is so quiet even on that high speed. I have seen a few videos on this drill and I do know it is a really, really good drill. So I thought it's about time I get these nails off, don't you think? Look at the growth on those. They are disgusting. I'm so bad at maintaining my own nails, guys. You probably already noticed. This one you'll see has already been removed because when I applied these nails, I tried a peel off base coat on this nail. So I've just pinged that nail off. So how to put the drill bit in the drill. So you've got your padlock there, which is locked, and you've got a padlock there, which is unlocked. Turn that to unlocked. Pull out this bit. This bit is just to keep in your drill when you're not using it, to make sure no dust gets in there. Then slide that in there like that. and then click it to locked. That's it, done. Turn it on. So we're going to try it on number 1 first. I don't think this is going to be nowhere near powerful. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, not really powerful enough to remove that. Number 2. Wow. It actually is removing. That's shocked me. Wow, look at that, guys. That is actually shaving it off like it's just butter. Wow. And that is on speed number 2. That's not even on the fastest speed. Can you believe that? Wow. 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 That has shocked me how good that is. Wow. Turn it up one more. Look at that. Wow. Can you believe that? Now that is pokey, guys. I cannot believe that. There's no vibrations. No vibrations coming from the handpiece. It is super nice to hold. It's really comfortable to hold. Like, I was thinking this will be great for me to take, like, when I go and do my family's nails and things. Perfect for, yeah, when I go and do my family's nails. But I can see me using this all the time as my everyday drill. That's how nice it feels to use. It's so pokey. There we are, look at that. That has shocked me. So, I'm getting a little bit too close to my natural nail now to be using that bit. I really need to move over to a more finer grit. So, there we are, guys. That's that one removed. So, I'm going to remove this one on camera, but I'll just speed it up and play some music. And then we're going to do a bit of prep work using some of the drill bits. So I'm going to pop some music on and I'll pop back in once it's removed.
inside. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Right guys, they've all been removed and they're now ready for some prep work. So, I'm using this drill bit. This is a diamond drill bit. We're going to have it on the lowest speed setting, number 1. And I'm going to start off by just going around the cuticle area. I'm not putting no pressure on the nail plate whatsoever. And that is just lifting that cuticle and pushing it backwards. Like that. This feels like it's a really nice speed as well for prep work. I think they've got the speeds perfect. So now I'm just teasing that dead cuticle skin away. Just kind of exfoliating it. I'm not putting no pressure on that at all. Make sure not to dig that pointy bit into your nail plate. Now this shouldn't feel sore whatsoever, guys. If it feels sore, then you've got your speed too high, or your drill bit could be too coarse. This should actually feel quite nice, like a slight exfoliation. So there we are, guys. That is them all removed. You'll see that I have left a little bit of product on the tips of my nails, and that is because I've got ski slope nails, So my natural nails, you won't be able to see now because I've left product on, but my natural nails grow downwards like this. So I like to leave a little bit of product on the tip just to keep it nice and straight. So we're going to finish off with a little bit of cuticle oil. I've also left this nail on, guys, because I'm doing an AliExpress haul in the next few days and I've bought a new drill bit and I wanted to see what it was like with the new drill. So I've left that one on for a reason. There we go. They are all ready for a new set, which I can't wait for. So, my honest thoughts on this drill. What do you think, guys? I think you probably already know my thoughts, the way I was talking about it. I absolutely love it. Amazing drill. And for £36.96, that is just an absolute bargain. And then remember, you get these bits with it as well. Yeah. I am well impressed. A real pokey little drill that is. And like I said earlier, I was originally just going to use it as my little portable drill, what I take to my families and things. But I can see me using this as my everyday drill. That's how pokey it is. So if anyone's interested in this drill, I'm going to leave the link to it pinned in my comments. I shall also leave a link to the Melodysusie website as well, if anyone wants to head over and take a look over there. Remember as well, guys, I've got a 12% off discount code, which you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is Gina12 with a capital G. Don't forget to pop that in at checkout to save yourself 12% off your order. I want to say a massive thank you to Melodysusie for sending me this drill. I was really, really impressed with how good it is. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel as well if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.